Hi guys, this is Kat Miller with Urbanoma Realty, and today I would like to introduce to something super cool. I'm just visiting a shop that offers a great solution for flooring in the form of epoxy. That is an excellent solution for those that are interested in super clean, super cool, durable flooring for garages, swimming pools, and you name it. I'm just gonna go and walk inside of the store and I will show you how cool this product is. Here we go. Let's go check it out. And shall we? You're gonna be surprised, and look at this amazing flooring. I have never seen anything like that. This is amazing. Look at the different colors. And as I just mentioned, that is a fabulous, fantastic for your home, your garage flooring, the swimming pool, and anything what your heart desires in order to actually create an outstanding, amazing look of your home. So take a look at this. Wow. And this is amazing. Look at this. This is one of a few stores that just got open, and it's located at 404 and John Street, around this area. I'll provide the address details down the road further in the description underneath of the video. And look at the different colors. That's amazing. But again, look at the floor, how unique it is. Your home can get so different and become outstanding if you do, guys, utilize this product. That's gonna definitely increase the value of your home. And this is such a unique solution for those that are interested in a very different, super modern look and very clean. Hi guys, I just want to show you something. This floor is not just for the garages, that could be in the kitchen area, that could be in the washroom. That's my partner for today. And take a look how cool that is. Could be in the offices, any way you name it. Even if you are deciding to finish your condo or do renovation, that's an excellent solution for you to think about. Super durable, clean, hygienic. It's a fantastic material to consider putting in your workshop, in your garage, in your kitchen, you name it. Your imagination, even the office. Look how cool and clean it is. And it's super durable. Saying that, talk soon. If you have any questions, by all means, you can reach out to me and I'll provide you with more information about the classes in order to learn how to apply it yourself, or you can also hire professionals that will do it for you.